We all love playing computer games.
Action games, simulation games, or puzzle games.
But have you ever thought about how they were made? Every computer game requires coding to make it work.
Hit the button is programmed to know which is the correct answer and which ones aren't. Bubble Blast is programmed to make the bubbles pop when the bubbles hit the same colour. And any games that involve movement have to have the directions programmed. We can use Scratch to understand how games are programmed and to create a game of our own. In this game, we are asked questions to help the starfish escape from the shark. Press the green flag to start. What is 5 times 4? We input our answer by typing in the correct answer and pressing the tick. The output is that the starfish move forward and the score has gone up by 1. The programming blocks sequence the events in the game. There's a question and then the instructions telling the program what to do if certain things happen.